Today we're going to be working on UPS. Customer complaint is you power it on and it's completely dead. Just plug it in. Yes, not even a beep, no indicators, no lights, no LEDs. The question is now, is it just the battery or is there something gone wrong with the electronics? So underneath, 4 screws to remove the cover. Beware UPSs, even when they unplug, has an inverter inside, big transformer, very dangerous. Don't open these unless you know what you're doing. Get help from somebody that has experience with electronics. Okay, the device is unplugged. This is your 12-volt battery. First things first, let's just get a reading on that. .3 volts. Disconnect the connectors. Then what we'll do first is let's just plug in my bench power supply. We'll give it sort of like 12-13 volts, 2 amps, and let's see, does the battery take a charge? Okay, so power supply is set to 12.5 volts, 2 amps. Plug in the battery. Okay, so the amps are jumping all over the place. Indication that this battery is not charging. It's going down. Less than half an amp now. No, this battery's toast. Okay, so this was probably why the UPS probably trying to charge it can't. That's probably why it's not coming on. Let's remove the bracket that holds the battery. Okay, these are just typically 12 volt 7 amp power batteries. Put in a new one. Okay, let's just plug it in, give it a quick check. Okay, so we do have power on, showing the battery is full. So that's it, simple as that. This UPS is working normally, just needs a change of the battery. Save yourself some money. Don't replace the UPS every time the battery goes flat. Typically sort of 2 to 3 years, UPS will need a battery to be changed. And that's it. Okay, so we can put the brackets and everything back on, put the screws back on. Short and sweet. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Remember, there's always a fix.